Hi, my name is Jorn Bouwmeester. If you want to know how you can incorporate AI tools in your production process, this course is definitely for you. In this course, you're going to learn how you can incorporate AI tools in your production process and how you can be creative with it. We'll teach you how to design AI prompts and how to incorporate them into your production process and get creative results with it. Also, we're going to make use of A/B techniques so that our tracks really stands up against industry standards. We're going to isolate sounds like drums, bass lines, vocals and leads, and we use them as inspirations for our own tracks. We're going to make use of proven techniques and also our creativity so that we bend the rules and still have a professional result in the end. Let's dive in this together and explore how AI can transform your music production process.